Banks play an important role in the economy for offering a service for people wishing to save. It offers finance to businesses who wish to expand. This video we are going to learn about basics of banking terms. Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Tana Agrawal and I welcome you to my channel Knowledge Pitara. Let's get started. Bank. A bank is a financial institution where customers can save or borrow money. History. Bank of Hindustan, established in 1770. General Bank of India, established in 1786. The largest and the oldest still in existence is State Bank of India. It is originated as Bank of Calcutta in 1806. Names of banks in India. These are some of the public sector banks. These are private sector banks. And these are some other banks. Types of bank accounts. If for business purpose, then checking or current account. Wants to deposit your savings, then saving account. Couples or business partners, then joint account. And the last type of account is inactive or dormant account. It means a saving account with no transactions, deposit or withdrawal over a specified period of time. Some other are fixed deposit, that is FD. You invest a fixed amount, say rupees 10,000, and earns interest on the entire money for the specific period, say 1 year. Recurring deposit, that is RD. You invest a fixed amount, say rupees 10,000 every month for a fixed period, say 1 year. Demat account or dematerialized account, an account to hold company shares and financial securities, equity or debt in electronic form. NRI account, an account opened by a non-resident Indian, NRI, with a bank to provide various services like transferring foreign earnings to India. Fixed deposit is better than recurring deposit because in recurring deposit, the first installment earns interest for 12 months, second installment earns interest for 11 months, third for 10 months, and so on. This decreases the value of interest. So that is why fixed deposit is better than recurring deposit. Individuals involved. First, teller. Provides information, ensures security of all transactions, counts cash, fills deposit slips, etc. Second, co-signer. This person promises to repay a loan on your behalf. Terms related to transaction. Credit. Amount added to an account. Deposit. Adding money in the bank account. Withdraw. Removing money from the bank account. Debit. Amount removed from an account. Overdraft. Amount greater than the balance. And balance is the net amount present in the bank account. All about interest. Interest. Amount you receive for the favor of leaving money with the bank. So there are some types of interest. Let's see. The prime rate, an interest rate at which banks lend to customers with good credit. Fixed interest rate. This interest rate doesn't fluctuate. Variable interest rate. This interest rate is not fixed. Simple interest. In this, you won't get interest on interest earned on your balance. Example, education loan. Compound interest. In this, you get interest on interest earned on your balance. Example, saving account. So compound interest is better than simple interest. Calculating simple interest. Simple interest is equals to principal multiplied by interest rate multiplied by time period divided by 100. So let's say principal is rupees 1 lakh, rate of interest is 10%, time is 2 years. Then SI is equals to 1 lakh multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 100, which gives rupees 20,000. Then amount is equals to principal sum plus interest, where principal sum is rupees 1 lakh and interest is rupees 20,000, which gives rupees 1,20,000 as an amount. Calculating compound interest. Amount is equals to principal 1 plus interest rate divided by 100 raised to the power time period. Say principal is again rupees 1 lakh, rate of interest is 10%, time is 2 years. So amount is equals to 1 lakh 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole raised to the power 2, which gives rupees 1,21,000. So CI's formula directly calculates amount, and CI earns rupees 1,000 more than SI, so CI is better than SI. Borrowed from bank. So bank is there and a borrower is there. So bank gives some money to the borrower, and after few years the borrower will return the money with interest. This is called loan. So loan is when you receive money from a bank in exchange of future repayment of the same money plus interest. Example, student loan. Another case is a bank is there and a borrower is there. So bank helps the borrower by financing the purchase of a house. And if the borrower is not able to repay the loan, the bank can sell the home. So this is called mortgage, a loan from a bank that helps a borrower purchase a home. And the last case is debt. Debt is an amount of money borrowed by one party from another party. And in the case if person fails to repay a loan, then it is called default. If the money is borrowed for short term, then the first is call money, borrowing or lending of funds for only one day. Second is notice money, borrowing and lending of funds for 2 to 14 days. Third is term money, borrowing and lending of funds for more than 14 days. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like the video. If you do, please like it, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Do share it among your friends, and thank you for watching.